Good, all the way out. Good. Good. We're gonna adjust the lower back here. It's already moving. Good. Other side. Good. Good. Just chill right there. There we go. Good. Same thing. Relax. Perfect. Good. What's up, guys? Dr. Drew here, back at Forza Chiropractic in Arlington Heights. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below. Truly helps us out. We truly appreciate it. So today I'm here with John. He's been a patient with us for a few years now. Currently, John is a corporate worker. He's got kids, so he's constantly bending, lifting, and moving, taking care of them, as well as he's working, consistently sitting down. Obviously, John's pretty tall. So yep. That being said, again, a lot of forward flexion, a lot of neck pain, lower back at times, and things like that, as well as he is a golfer, so constantly trying to get out once or twice a week, as I do too with John, to kind of go out and play. So I'm going to have John just tell you guys a little bit about himself, how he found us, the clinic, you know, why he came in originally, where we're at now as far as his treatment, what we're doing, and how he's kind of maintaining his overall correction. So John, just tell the viewers a little bit about yourself and kind of your story.
Yeah, no, so I found you through just kind of Googling. I live local to Arlington Heights, so I was just trying to find a place. Like you said, had lots of little kids sitting at a desk all day. I was having a lot of neck pain and came in, did the initial assessment, kind of saw things were at, made a big improvement over the first year, and just kind of been coming back twice a month just to kind of keep things in check, and it's been great. I love every minute of it. Feels great when I leave here, and yeah, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, with the amount of repetitive stress John is doing, so that day-to-day sitting repetitively just builds and builds. So he's currently at a point of just maintenance now, especially as we do go into golf season starting this spring. He's going to have a lot more torsion, a lot more torque on his lower back. So we do a lot of things with that too, by making sure that he's tuned up and not causing himself to have any discomfort and pain. So today we're going to go over John's full workup. You guys are going to see me adjust his lower back, mid back, neck, everything in between. And then from there, if you guys have any questions, please leave them below, but we truly appreciate you guys watching this video. All right, guys, shout out to Voelsch and their muscle massage gun here. We're going to work John up. Been able to get out at all, John?
A couple times. Not as much as I'd like.
Yeah. Starting to break here with the weather. Yeah, coming. Kids on spring break this week, or were they last week? Yeah. Same with my daughter. She was on break. Pressure okay?
Yep, feel good.
Perfect. All right, deep breath in. Good, all the way out. Good, deep breath in. All the way out. Good. 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 You got work tomorrow or are you off?
I'm off tomorrow.
That's nice. All right, I'm going to adjust this right hip, so I'm going to be laying your left side.
Okay.
Nice to have a Friday off, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Good. We're going to adjust the lower back here. It's already moving. Good. Other side. Once we do that, guys, just this side, then we're going to do a big decompression on John. Good. Good. Perfect. On your back, John. We're going to do a little stretch on you. All right, guys, so we're going to do a little decompression on John. Gets a little bit of tension out. Nice big stretch here. Good. Good. It's going to be a little stronger, John. Mm-hmm. Good. Nice and easy. Good. Chill right there. How far did you feel that?
That went down quite a bit.
Good.
Good.
Be another inch taller.
Yeah.
How tall are you right now?
6'5".
6'5", 6'6" now.
6'6" now?
Yeah.
Sounds good. up at the basketball game.
You're gonna sleep great.
Yep.
Come on up when you're ready. Swing your legs to the left. You're gonna get John's shoulders adjusted too. So reach around, good. Just relax this arm. There we go. A little tight there. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Same thing. Relax. Perfect. Good. Awesome. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're over 10,000 subscribers, almost 11. We're trying to get to 100,000. Truly appreciate it. John, thank you for trusting us with your health.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we'll see you guys next video. Any questions, comments, things like that, leave us below. If you guys have any things that you guys want us to do videos on too, whether it's golf, things like that, anything, just let us know. Talk to you soon.